tissues of the plants. So we'll continue from the same thread, complex permanent tissues. The different types of tissues we have discussed until now are made up of one type of cells only. Okay, whether we have read about parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma, they are made up of one type of cell only, which look like each other, and all the cells of these tissues look like each other only. Such tissues are called the simple permanent tissues. Okay, but now we will learn about complex tissues. These tissues are also found in the plants only. What are these tissues? These tissues are made up of more than one type of cell. Okay, and all these type of cells coordinate among themselves to do a common function. Okay, suppose if we are talking about xylem, so xylem will not contain only one type of cell only. There will be 3 to 4 types of cells working together to make the water flow in the upward direction against the gravity. Okay, xylem has to work against the gravity. ठीक है, all these cells coordinate to perform a common function. Xylem and phloem are the example of such complex tissues. तो कई बार एग्जाम में बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चंस आ जाते हैं और हम कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं. दे कैन आस्क यू गिव 2 examples of common complex tissues. So you can write xylem and phloem. Xylem help in transport of water and phloem help in transport of food. Food कहाँ बनता है? Leaves में. But every nook and corner of the plant needs the food. तो food को कहाँ travel करना है? Leaves से, उसके सब branches से होके, then stem से होके, तब roots तक वो आएगा, तब roots को energy मिलेगी ताकि वो water consume कर सके, and then it has to work against the gravity. ठीक है, यहाँ पे कौन सा फिनोमेना हेल्प करता है? कैपिलरी एक्शन ऑल्सो इट हेल्प्स. ठीक है, क्योंकि जाइलम की ट्यूब्स रहती हैं बेटा. ठीक है, इन ट्यूब्स का होना इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द ट्रांसपोर्ट. अगर ट्यूब ही नहीं होगी तो ट्रांसपोर्ट कैसे होगा? ठीक है, दे आर बोथ कंडक्टिंग टिश्यूज एंड कंस्टिट्यूट वेस्कुलर बंडल्स. वेस्कुलर बंडल्स मीन वेस्कुलर टिश्यूज. ठीक है, ग्रुप ऑफ सेल्स होगा. is a distinctive feature of the complex plants. What? Complex tissues. Complex tissues are the distinct feature of the complex plants. One that has made possible their survival into terrestrial environment. In figure 6.3 showing the section of the stem, can you see different types of cells and vascular bundle? 6.3. I think 6.3 is in above page. Wait. This is 5. This is 6.3. Okay, so you can see section of a stem is there. Okay, this is known as a vascular bundle. Just by looking at a vascular bundle, you can tell also whether it is a bicotyledon plant or monocotyledon. Okay, bicot mean whose seed can be split into 2 equal parts. Monocot mean one seed, cotyledon only. Okay, this you will study in Haggard, so will not go much deep into the concept. Let's come to the point again where we were. Xylem consists of tracheids, vessels, xylem, parenchyma, and xylem fibers. Now we were talking about group of cells which coordinate among themselves to perform a common function. So these are the cells. Okay? These are the cells. Tracheids, vessels, xylem, parenchyma, xylem fibers. When you are asked difference between xylem and phloem, तब भी तुम इन पॉइंट्स को लिस्ट आउट कर सकते हैं कि कर सकते हो. The xylem is made up of these and these cells. Okay, tracheids and vessels have thick walls and many are dead cells when mature. ठीक है, tracheids and vessels are tubular structures. ट्यूब की तरह होंगे, क्यों? Because they have to transport the water obviously. ठीक है, और ये जैसे तुम्हारे पेन की रिफिल रहती है ना, इवन पेन की रिफिल से भी पतली बारीक ट्यूब्स होती हैं. ठीक है, अब तुम्हारी पेन की रिफिल से इंक कैसे आती है? कैपिलरी एक्शन से ही आती है. ठीक है, तुम दिया जलाते हो, क्यों जलता है? कैपिलरी एक्शन से ही जलता है. ठीक है, तेल ऊपर आता है बाती में. ठीक है, इन द विक. ओके, द पेरेन्काइमा स्टोर्स फूड. ओके, and xylem fibers mainly supportive in function. ठीक है, xylem fiber are supportive in function. Phloem is made up of 5 type of cells: sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem fiber, phloem parenchyma. Sieve tubes are tubular cells which perforated walls. Okay, उनकी फूली हुई walls होगी. Phloem transport food from leaves to the other parts of the plant except the phloem fibers. Other phloem cells are living cells. ठीक है, यहाँ पे तुम स्ट्रक्चर देख सकते हो ट्रैकिड्स के, वेसल्स के, एंजाइलम पायरेन्काइमा के. जो डायग्राम है वो आंखें खोल के देख लो, क्योंकि एग्जाम में पिक्चर आइडेंटिफिकेशन भी पूछा जाता है.